Hi friends, today I am going to do an experiment on functioning of human heart. You can also watch my full video on transportation in organisms to understand better. Let us understand a little basics about heart before conducting the experiment. The heart has 4 chambers. The upper 2 are right and left atrium and the lower 2 are right and left ventricles. The deoxygenated, that is carbon dioxide rich blood, is received by the chambers of the heart, which is then sent to the lungs, and then the oxygenated blood, which is oxygen rich blood, is sent from the lungs to, and then pumped to the entire body. Now let's conduct the experiment. Now you can see the setup for this experiment. I have taken this red water as blood. Then the syringe has been taken as a body part from which the blood will be received to the heart. Then there are the 4 chambers of the heart: left atrium, left ventricle and right ventricle. Then the blood will be sent to the lungs, which I have depicted by this box. And from the lungs, which I have again taken as this syringe, the blood will be sent back to the heart, from which it will be pumped to the entire body, which I have depicted by this box. Now from a body part, I am pumping the blood into the right atrium chamber of the heart, as you can see there. Now from the right atrium, the blood is pumped into the right ventricle. Now from the right ventricle, it contracts to supply the blood into the lungs. As you can see that the blood is now flowing into the lungs. Then when the lungs receive the blood, they make the blood oxygen rich when we breathe in. Then from the lungs, the blood is then supplied to the left atrium chamber of the heart. Then from the left atrium, when it contracts, the blood is then transferred into the left ventricle. Now from the left ventricle, when the left ventricle contracts, the blood is then transferred into the body parts. As you can see that the blood is being transferred. Then in this process I am showing you by pressing on the various chambers of the heart, but in reality the various chambers contract and relax systematically to collect the blood and also to pump the blood. Then this flow of the blood in the various chambers is regulated by these valves which are present in the heart. This is the whole experiment and you can see it correctly. I hope that you have understood the functioning of human heart. Thank you.